Hi, this is Eric with TechShop, and another edition of Tool Showcase. Having to perform some type of thread repair is something we do all the time. Well, today I've got a tool that puts a different spin on the process. Take a look at these from Rotary Thread. We've all got thread files, and they've bailed me out many a time. But Rotary Thread has taken that sometimes painstaking process and made it easy with their Rotary Thread files, designed for use in a power tool. The Thread Starter Kit, which I have here, comes with a 1/8 inch by 3/8 inch rotary thread file, a 1/4 inch by 3/4 inch rotary thread file, and an 1/8 inch to 1/4 inch collet. I'm going to say the best way to find out about this tool is to try it out. I've got some rusted and damaged bolts set up in a vise, so let's head over and give these a whirl. Well, as you can see, they cut right through the damaged threads and made quick work of it. From one technician to another, I think these will save you a lot of time. If you'd like more information about Rotary Thread and some of their other tools, check them out at rotarythread.com. And don't forget to go to techshopmag.com for more Tool Showcase videos. Thanks for watching TechShop's Tool Showcase.